Hello and welcome to another English lesson with me, Beth, and today we are looking at how to write a resignation letter. So if you want to quit your job and you need to do it by writing a letter, this is how you would do it. So this is an example resignation letter that I have written, and you can read through it here and then we will go through all the different features of it. First, you would put your address in the top right-hand corner of the page. Then you would put the address of the person you are writing to, or the address of the place where you work, on the left. Then you would put the date that you are writing the letter on the right before the start of the letter. Start your letter by putting "Dear" and the name of your boss or manager. In the first paragraph, you would write how much notice you are giving, which will be written in your contract, what position you are leaving, and confirm what your last working day will be. Here we are using the name "the business" as an example of a workplace. The next 3 paragraphs are optional, depending on your relationship with the company where you work or your own feelings. So I included a paragraph giving reasons for why I was leaving. Then I gave some feedback on my time working for the company. And finally, I gave personal wishes for my boss, because we had quite a good relationship. Then you will sign off with yours faithfully. And then at the end you would have your signature and then your printed name. So here is all that information in summary. Let's go through it again. So here we have my address in the top right hand corner. Obviously that's not my real address. Then we have the address of the person you are writing to, or the place where you work, on the left. Then we have the date that you are writing the letter, here on the right. And then we've said, "Dear Angela, this letter gives 4 weeks' notice of my intention to leave my position as a," and then you would put your job role here, "at the business. My last working day at the business will therefore be the 11th of June 2025. This has not been a quick or easy decision and is due to my desire for greater flexibility in my working life and the possibility of exploring other career routes. I have enjoyed my time at the business and am grateful to have had the opportunity to work with such skilled, professional and friendly colleagues. I have learnt a great deal. I wish the business continued success and you personally all the best for the future. Yours faithfully, B. Teacher." And then my printed name, Beth Teacher. Notice the language here is very formal. I hope you found that interesting and useful. If you have questions or comments, please let me know below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I will see you again next time. Bye!